Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the magnetic field on equatorial line of a bar magnet, for which I have made a diagram here in which there is a magnet having the pole strength small m and a point P is situated at r distance from the center of this magnet on the equatorial line, for which we have to calculate the magnetic field due to this bar magnet. If B1 is the magnetic field at point P due to the north pole of this magnet, then B1 will be equal to B1 is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon the distance is np, so np square, which is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus l square. This is because this distance is L and this distance is L, so the hypotenuse will be under root r square plus L square, and the square of it will be equal to r square plus L square. Now coming to the direction of magnetic field due to this north pole is, as we know that the direction of magnetic field is away from north and towards south, so it will be directed along NP. Similarly, we can calculate the magnetic field at point P due to this bar magnet, the south pole of this bar magnet. Let this is B2, then B2 is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon, and the distance is SP, so SP square is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus L square. Now coming to the direction, its direction is towards the south pole, means along PS. Now we want to find the resultant magnetic field at point P. For this we have to resolve these vectors into their horizontal and vertical component. Because the value of B1 and B2 is same, so their vertical component, let this is B1 cos theta, sorry B1 it will be B1 sin theta, and it is, this component will be B2 sin theta. Because the value of B1 and B2 is same, so these vertical component will cancel each other, and their horizontal component will be B1 cos theta, and the horizontal component of this will be B2 cos theta, B2 cos theta. Means for finding the total magnetic field at point P, we have to add these two components. So for the magnetic field at point P, which is on equatorial position, B equatorial is equal to B1 cos theta plus B2 cos theta. Now B equatorial is equals to the value of B1 is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus l square cos theta, and the value of B2 is also mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus l square into cos theta. So B equatorial is equals to 2 mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus l square into cos theta. Now for calculating cos theta in triangle SOP, the value of cos theta is equals to SO upon SP, SO upon SP, and the value of SO is L and that of SP is under root r square plus l square. Now substituting this value of cos theta in this equation, we will get B equatorial is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2m upon r square plus l square, and the value of cos theta is L upon under root r square plus l square, which will give P is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2ml upon r square plus l square to the power 3 by 2. We know that this quantity gives us the magnetic dipole moment of a bar magnet, so it can be written as B is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus l square to the power 3 by 2, because m is equals to 2m into L, which is magnetic dipole moment of a bar magnet. Now considering a situation in which bar magnet is of very small length, or we can assume if R is very greater than L, then we will get B equatorial is equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube, and the direction of the magnetic field is along px dash.